Want to supercharge your language learning? Imagine having a tool that not only keeps you organized, but also boosts your motivation and helps you track your progress effectively. A language journal might be the secret tool you've been missing. It's more than just a notebook. It's a powerful ally in your language learning journey. In this video, I'll show you how to create one, track your progress, set achievable goals, and review effectively. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to fluency. A language journal isn't just a notebook, it's your personal roadmap to fluency. It's a place where you can map out your learning journey and see how far you've come. It helps you stay organized, see your progress, and keep motivated. When you can visually track your achievements, it's easier to stay on course. Plus, writing things down boosts memory retention and keeps your learning focused. The act of writing helps reinforce what you've learned, making it stick better. Let's start with the basics. Setting up your journal is the first step to creating a structured learning environment. Your journal can be as simple or creative as you like. Personalize it to make it a space you enjoy using. Divide it into sections for key areas like, this will help you keep everything organized and easy to find. Goals. Write down short-term and long-term goals. Having clear goals gives you something to aim for and helps you measure your progress. Vocabulary. Track new words and phrases. This section will become a valuable resource as you expand your vocabulary. Grammar. Summarize tricky rules and examples. Keeping a record of grammar rules can help you understand and remember them better. Practice log. Record your daily activities like lessons, conversations, or apps used. This helps you see how much time you're dedicating to learning. Tracking progress is vital to stay motivated. When you see your progress, it encourages you to keep going. Create a simple chart or checklist to mark off achievements like hours studied or milestones hit. This visual representation of your progress can be very motivating. You could also write weekly reflections: what worked, what didn't, and what you'll focus on next. Reflecting on your learning helps you understand what strategies are effective. Clear goals give you direction. Break them down into manageable steps to make them less overwhelming. Daily goals, like studying for 30 minutes or learning 5 new words. Small, consistent efforts lead to big results over time. Weekly goals, such as completing a podcast episode or writing a short story. These medium-term goals help you stay engaged and make steady progress. Long-term goals, maybe it's passing a language test or traveling to a country and speaking confidently. These big goals give you something exciting to work towards. Reviewing is where the magic happens. Regular review sessions help reinforce what you've learned and identify areas that need more attention. At the end of the week, revisit your notes and ask, what did I learn? This helps consolidate your knowledge and plan your next steps. What do I need to revisit? Identifying gaps in your knowledge is crucial for continuous improvement. Highlight key points and rewrite anything that didn't stick. Rewriting helps reinforce learning and ensures you understand the material. Reflecting keeps you from forgetting and helps identify areas to improve. It's a powerful tool for self-assessment and growth. Make your journal your own. Personalizing it makes the process more enjoyable and engaging. Use colors, stickers, or doodles to keep it engaging. The more you enjoy using your journal, the more likely you are to stick with it. You can even include fun things like motivational quotes or a list of rewards for meeting your goals. These little touches can keep you inspired and motivated. The more enjoyable the process, the more likely you are to stick with it. Make your journal a place you love to visit, and that's how you create a language learning journal that works for you. Tailor it to your needs and preferences for the best results. Remember, consistency is key. Track, reflect, and stay motivated. Regular use of your journal will help you stay on track and achieve your language learning goals. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Now grab your notebook and start your journey today. There's no better time to begin than now. Thanks for watching and happy journaling. May your language learning journey be both productive and enjoyable.